Reporting education data is a great value. It helps strengthen our data monitoring back home. It helps with the planning. It also helps with the policy makers back home to make policies and strengthen a good quality education for our future, of our children. Yeah. Oh, okay. The challenges that we face, one will be data compilation back home, trying to get the data from our sources. The other one will be terms and definitions within the surveys that was provided for us. So it's to understand the indicators that was given. So it was a challenge for us. So yeah. The training provided for us, it gives me a better understanding, especially with the indicators, to help us understand what we're looking for and what's asking for us to get or to provide within the data. Joe and Rajan has explained more about the indicators for us, and that will help me when I go back home to collect our data, and not to rely on other sources to help me with the data input. But the other one will be, as for the data compilation, has given me ideas on what ways to get to our sources and how we're gonna get the data from them. For an example, we might provide surveys and questionnaires for them to be able to give us the data that we want. So yeah. I guess it's having that link between our sources back home to come together and to link up with all the data that is needed for our surveys for SDG 4 template. For example, TVET, UIS, the census within our region, and the school roles that's provided for us. So it's creating that or linking that gap between our sources for us to be able to get the information and the data that we wanted for our SDG 4 template.